Select a pixel layer in Affinity Photo. Has to be a pixel layer because I'm going to use it with pattern layers. So pixel layer there, it will say pixel. Then go to a layer and then down to a new pattern layer from selection. Now this design can be anything. It doesn't have to be a gradient. I've just created a gradient as a pixel layer, but it doesn't have to be. It could be an image, it could be anything, but it has to be a pixel layer. It has to be converted to a pixel layer using Resize if it's not a pixel layer. And what you can also do, you can set up here, mirror. There is a tutorial on that, so if you want to find out more about how to do that, please check out that tutorial. Got hundreds and hundreds of other tutorials about all kinds of aspects of Affinity Photo, as well as Affinity Publisher and also Affinity Designer. And you can also learn how to combine them as well to create effect. You can rotate and do other things like that. But what you can also do is you can go to Filters, and there's a lovely one here, Distort and Equations. And you can create even more amazing designs using this. So just go up here and you can say 10 times RX. And you can see you get a nice design there, 10 times RY. And RY is the relative value. And you can see the result, which is not so great, but what you can do, you've got an extend mode. And you can put that to mirror and you can get these sort of effects. And you can set it to polar as well, but I'm using Cartesian. But you can also go for, say, RX minus RY to get diagonal effects. So you can create, or maybe go for something even more intense, 100. Maybe not, but you can see the effect. So 50. And again, you can go here, 50 times RY. Or maybe 50 times RY plus RX. And so on and so on. You can create all kinds of very intense designs. Once you're done happy with that, what you can do, you can always click apply. And you've got this still live. So you can still resize, you can rotate, and you can also share this design as well. So you can create some very unique equation designs combining this mirror option as well as equations. Filter in filters, distort, and equations. And there's loads, hundreds of videos on this channel about equations, and you can create all kinds of wonderful, amazing effects with that. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.